Simply push Start Signing, and it'll take you to our tool, Zoho, and lead you through the signing process. First, review the terms and conditions and make sure you're comfortable with our process and how the tool works. If you are, hit Agree, and it'll lead you through the signing process once you hit Start Signing. Click on Signature. You can pick from 3 methods to have your signature and initials be used. You can use a default font, you can draw your signature using the mouse, or you can upload files of your signature and your initial. For this demo, we will use the default font signature. So type in the way that your full name is for your signature. And give us your initials that you prefer to use. Hit OK, and it'll enter that signature for you. If you click Sign Date, it'll put the current date, and then simply hit Finish. If you're uncomfortable, you need to assign to someone else, you're going to decline, or you're going to skip signing, just let us know, and we'll work with you in an alternate way. So once you click Finish, it will send us the fully executed document, and you'll have the option to download it or email it to yourself so you can have your own copy as well. We appreciate you considering using our more efficient process, and if you have any questions, please contact me, Diane Trentini, at diane.trentini@cometforchildren.com. Thank you.